Upgrading your home with a new door is one of the simplest yet most impactful improvements you can make. For Green Cove Springs homeowners, where Florida's humid climate, heavy rains, and warm summers can take a toll on doors, a professional installation ensures durability, efficiency, and peace of mind. If you're preparing for a new door installation, here's what you can expect from start to finish when working with experts. Initial consultation and planning. The process begins with an in-home consultation, designed to match your needs with the right door. Assessment of your current door and frame. Professionals inspect for damage, gaps, or moisture issues that may need attention before installation. Precise measurements. A properly fitted door is key to preventing drafts, leaks, and security concerns. Style and material selection. You'll explore options like fiberglass, steel, or wood, each suited to Green Cove Springs' climate. Energy-efficient and weather-resistant designs are especially recommended in Florida. This stage ensures your new door complements both your home's architecture and your lifestyle. Preparing for installation day. To help the installation go smoothly, you'll want to prepare your home in advance. Clear the entryway. Move furniture, mats, and decor items near the door area. Provide easy access. Make sure pathways are clear for the crew to bring tools and materials. Secure pets and children. Keep them in a safe space during the project for everyone's safety. These small steps help professionals work quickly and efficiently. Removal of the old door. The first hands-on step is carefully removing your old door and its frame. Safe dismantling. Professionals detach the door, hinges, and hardware without damaging surrounding walls. Inspection of the frame. They'll check for rot, mold, or structural issues that may have been caused by Florida's humidity or rainfall. Necessary repairs. Any problems will be fixed before the new door is installed, ensuring a strong foundation. This thorough approach ensures your new door will perform as intended for years to come. Installing the new door. With the space prepped, the new door can be securely installed. Precise alignment. Professionals carefully position the door so it opens and closes smoothly. Frame securing. Shims and fasteners are used to keep the frame plumb, level, and square. Weatherproofing. High-quality sealants, insulation, and weather stripping are applied to keep out drafts and moisture, critical in Green Cove Springs' humid climate. Proper installation ensures your new door enhances energy efficiency and stands up to Florida's elements. Adding the finishing touches. The final details complete the look and functionality of your new door. Hardware installation. Handles, locks, deadbolts, and hinges are added to secure and style your entry. Trim work. Interior and exterior trim is replaced or refinished for a seamless look. Testing the fit. Installers test the door multiple times to ensure proper sealing and smooth operation. These finishing steps combine aesthetics with performance. Cleanup and final walkthrough. Once installation is complete, the crew will tidy up the area and remove your old door. You'll also receive a walkthrough, operational guidance, learn how to use locks and hardware features. Maintenance tips. Professionals may provide advice for cleaning, lubricating hinges, and protecting finishes from Florida's moisture. Quality check. Together, you and the installer confirm the job meets expectations. This ensures you're confident in both the installation and your new investment. Final thoughts for Green Cove Springs homeowners. Professional door installation is more than just an upgrade. It's an investment in comfort, security, and curb appeal. From the first consultation to the finishing touches, professionals handle every detail with precision. With Florida's unique climate, expert installation ensures your new door is properly sealed, energy efficient, and built to last. Whether you're replacing a weather-worn entry door, installing a stylish patio door, or upgrading interior spaces, professional door installation guarantees long-term value and peace of mind for your home.